You can now easily submit consolidated e-invoices to LHDN's MyInvoice from Bukku. You will be consolidating all invoices for the entire month, and then submitting them to LHDN's MyInvoice for validation before the 7th day of the following month. Bukku makes it easy for you to complete the submission with just one click. We have introduced a new module called MyInvoice, where you can better track all transactions and their MyInvoice actions and document status. At the beginning of the new month, go to Bukku Transactions and click Consolidated. You will see all the previous month's transactions that are pending submission, automatically summarized for you. Just click Submit. All your transactions will be submitted for validation. Then, head to MyInvoice Documents, where you will see the successfully submitted consolidated e-invoice. Click View to see the transaction info, MyInvoice status as valid, and the validation date and time. If you discover any mistakes and need to cancel the submission, simply click Cancel. You can go back and fix your transaction, and then make a submission once again. It's that easy to submit consolidated e-invoices with just one click.